Wow.
That was so big.
Big.
Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa. That was so big.
What's that? This is
That is not a toy.
Oh, there's more. Whoa, there's more.
6 now.
Officially 6 years old.
Yeah.
Oh, open your presents. Open your presents.
I need some help over here.
It's you can do it. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh.
Ah, open it. Wow. Oh,
That was so big.
so big. Whoa.
Oh. That was so big.
What's that?
T-shirt.
This is printed T-shirt.
That is not a toy.
Oh, there's more. Whoa, there's more. There's more.
Oh, you let Daddy help you to open.
Ay, may bunting kayo na. Hindi. Para hindi masira yung paper bag. Pako na lang muna. Yan, tape.
Momoy yung cellphone. Lamig agasin.
Ate Munay will...
I do it.
Natuwa talaga. What's that? Pwede na natin. Yeah. What's inside? Oh, what's that?
Oh my god! I get it from now. I do it.
What's that? Yeah. What's inside? Oh, what's that?
Oh my god! I get it from now.
At CR.
You can get the paper bag.
I want to see too much
Okay, there's no more inside. There's no more inside. There's some more. Okay.
What is this?
A tempered.
What's that? No, put it there. Oh. Check your paper. What's that? What's that? What's that? Not opening. You said open sesame. It's not open. Wait, there's a magic word. Open sesame.
Yeah, almost na.
Oh, there's more.
Huh?
Huh? What's that? What's that?
Can I borrow? Can I borrow?
Oh, you say thank you to Tita Mami.
Hindi siya makasagot kaya baro.
You let Tita Marilyn set up your new phone.
Ay, ito, sleep sound? For sleep sound?
I will put it the
Pang-sleep,
tempered.
pang-sleep sound na lang yung isa.
Which is cool. We're sleeping now.
So big.
How can turn it on?
Kita. Tatanong na. Pandaw.
You put this?
Yeah, I will put it there.
Oh.
Dito sa maliwanag.
Oo, kasi di makikita yan dun.
Yan maglo-loading na?
Hindi na.
Naggamit ka na kung... I can't wait to see what it looks like.
Iwan din yung pangunas.
Wait. I want to watch. Oh, yeah. Wait. You have a different hair.
Different hair.
Yeah, it's
Nathan, can I borrow that cellphone, ha? Tata will borrow it.
Nathan.
Tata
Tataasin
will
nyo.
borrow it. Or I will hide it again.
Oo, no comment. No comment yan.
Dito yung charger na.
Why SIM card yan?